How to change default currency on PayPal. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step process to how to change your default currency in PayPal. Let's get started. First, open PayPal on your phone. After that, make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, you can see this wallet option on the bottom right corner. Click on it. Now scroll down and find PayPal balance. After that, click on the PayPal balance option. Here you'll see this manage currency option. Click on manage currencies and you'll see a list of currencies available in your account. Find the currency you want to set as default. Now if you want to set your default currency as your primary currency, select make primary or set as preferred and confirm your selection and you are done. So this is how you can change default currency on your PayPal account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.